Hi everyone, excuse the bird chatter, we'll get by with all these birds chattering away, but we've got a new update today, another one in a few days. It's 2020.2.4.5.1 and we're going to look inside here and we're going to see what it's like. We're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Okay, as always, let's go into the release notes, into software, release notes. Okay, here we go. What have we got? Well, not a lot. It hasn't changed. It's a 0.1, doesn't really show you much. Just says about the regenerative braking again, the car colorization and save dash cams. Well, we didn't get much there, did we? But I'm going to give you a few tips now that might help you with a few other things. And one of those is a biggest bugbear for me, and maybe for many, is this title. They want money for you to actually subscribe to it. How do we get rid of it? I don't want it. I don't want to get rid of it completely, but in case I have it again. But how do I get rid of it? Well, in this V11, they lost it for a while, but it's now back, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. And any others that you might want to get rid of. Let's have a look at it. Okay, how do we get rid of it? Very easily. Hit the radio icon, and if we go to the right end here, you see here audio settings, title. I want to get rid of it. Normally they're on. Okay, 6 of those are on. How do we get rid of it? You just take it off like so. That's it. Done. Close the window down, and if we go into the display now, title's gone. And to put it back, just in case you decide that you want it a bit later on, you just go back into it again. You hit the button here, slide it back, go into it, and it's there. That's going to save a lot of people a lot of trouble, because I tell you what, it used to drive me mad. It used to pop up on the screen and just want to be added to, and I don't want to pay any money for it. I pay enough money. No subscription. If it was free, I would do it, but as it's not and you have to pay for it per month, not for me. Or for you maybe, that's good. Also, and one other thing I'm going to show you, they've added this now, which is really great. So if we go into your map, so we'll pull this down, and now as I said last time, they've added this little icon here. So let's put it up, and now you've got all of these up the top where you can change them. So at the moment I've got it all on the superchargers, you see that? But if I put it on the very simple chargers, every 7 kilowatt charger, 11 kilowatts, they're all there now. Look, turn off the superchargers, you're just going to have the standards that you've got now for 11 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts, and that. If you put the second charger on, you now get the bigger ones. Take off the first ones. Oh, hang on. And now what we've got here is 50 kilowatts, all the 60 kilowatt ones, which is very handy because it means that you don't have to guess anymore. And then if you want to go back to the superchargers, you can turn that one on and turn that off if you want. And now you've got every supercharger. West Drayton, Park Royal, Brent Cross, they're all there. So you can now vary what you need. If you want only 7 kilowatt chargers, it will show you all those. If you want to know the superchargers, you can now see those. So you've got very big versatility of what you need. Well, I hope this has been helpful to you. A big thanks to all my new followers and everybody that's got the channel up to over 1,000 subscribers. Wow. What can I say but a big thanks from my heart to everybody that's taken part. But don't let it stop there. Our next goal is to get to 10,000. Now, I know with your help we can do it. I know it. Just pass me around to everybody. Get them involved in this. Look, I'm here to help you. And our American cousins, you're probably reeling now from the fact that they're taking away your boombox. I know. That's a real bummer, that one. You need to vote with your feet with that. NITS is really getting involved with that and causing you grief. Not good for you. Not good for us, because the regulators over here have been causing us grief for a long period of time. We've had to put up with it. While you've got all the nice advanced summon and you can get it out of the parking lot and drive it around the car park, we can't even touch it. we can only get to it, put our finger on the car and move it. It is terrible, but that's hey-ho what it is. Anyway, I hope this has been a very helpful video, and if it has, then hit that subscribe button please, and like and notification bell, and talk to me in the comments. I respond to everybody. I'm happy to understand if you're having problems, if you're enjoying your car, whatever's going on, let me know in your life. I love it. I really do. I really enjoy having little chats with you. And the prizes are still going out for those that have entered in the prize. I'm still trying to find a few people. Noon, please get in touch with me. And I'll put a list of all the people here that I need to get in touch at the end of this video, please. So if you're on that list and you see your name there, please get in touch with me either at malback, that's M-A-L-B-A-C-K, at M-A-L-C-A-N, malcan.co.uk, or Facebook me on Messenger and drop me out a line there. Just need your address details, really. We can get these off to you. We're up to about 234 now, and what's been added is Man from Uncle, and among others, there is so many, but just come over just now is Man from Uncle and Inspector Gadget. Really great light shows. Oh, that Inspector Gadget one, all the windows go up and down and fly everywhere. Wonderful. Right, you're going to get all those. They're going to come to you on a memory stick, and you'll be able to have all of 234 shows, and then maybe some more, depending when you get your application in. Obviously some have been sent out already. The latest one I've sent out now is off to America, and that one is winging its way over. As soon as it goes to that particular person, I will tell you about it, and they will get a surprise. So that's the good thing. That's it. Okay, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, I'll be seeing ya.
We need you. It's your last chance.